Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your data and halting the update in motion. First, make a quick backup to iCloud or your computer so you can undo changes if needed. Once backed up, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Find the iOS update file, tap it and choose Delete Update. Once done, return to General right arrow Software Update and disable automatic updates so the file does not reappear automatically. You've deleted the file, now make sure it stays gone. After removing the update from iPhone storage, go to Software Update and switch off automatic updates so iOS won't download again. If you were on a beta profile, remove it under Settings right arrow General right arrow VPN and Device Management to avoid recurring beta downloads. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary caches and confirm the update no longer appears. You complete the process by rebooting and verifying the update is gone in Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update. If the installation already began and you can't stop it, immediately connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to restore or update in recovery mode. This halts a stuck installer. If the phone behaves oddly after these steps, try Recovery Mode Restore as the key troubleshooting move, and contact Apple support if the device remains unstable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.